Hey Xiaomi users, are you still using your lock screen something like this? Well, in today's video I am going to transform your lock screen from this to this and completely upgrade your lock screen experience. So make sure to watch this video till the end because I will show you everything from customizations and features to how to apply it. So without any further delay, let's get started. So if I talk about this 3D effect lock screen setup, first we need to install and apply the theme, and for this go to theme store and in the search bar type G3 Black. Then it will show this theme. Simply download it and apply it as the lock screen. After applying it, tap on the customize icon. Here, first we will apply the wallpaper, where first we will select the PNG pic. Then select the JPEG pic. In addition to that, we'll also enable both gravity sensor options, which helps the wallpaper look more realistic and enhance the 3D effect. And by the way, if you have a lower end device and it doesn't work properly, then you can turn off both these options. Now if we go back to the lock screen, it will appear in this layout. And if you look closely at the wallpaper, you will notice the 3D vibe, which looks amazing and gives you a next level lock screen experience. Now there are some additional customizations we need to apply. And for this, double tap on the bottom part of the screen. So the lock screen enters customization mode. Then tap on the date layout and select this format. Next, tap on the clock widget and select this layout for both hours and minutes. Now about the widgets. For this setup, these widgets are perfectly fine because they don't hide the depth part of the wallpaper. Similarly, for the second wallpaper, we will apply the same process as we did for the first wallpaper. Next and final customization is the music shortcut customization. For this, again go to the lock screen customization settings, then scroll down to the fifth option. That is tag notifications or lock screen music. First, tap on album art style and select custom album art. Then tap on custom album art cover and select the same lock screen JPEG pic. Now, when we play music on the lock screen, it will appear like this, and when we tap on it, it expands like this, which perfectly matches our lock screen layout. By the way, one interesting thing about this lock screen is that when we swipe down from the top right bar, we get the iOS style notification center, which comes with a liquid glass effect, something like this. Well, you will get the wallpapers on our Telegram channel. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked this HyperOS custom 3D effect lock screen. If you did, make sure to like the video and don't forget to subscribe to Mobile Funda for more amazing customizations in the future. See you in the next video. Till then, keep customizing.